Welcome to our self-care revolution. Let's delve into a unique and thoughtful gift that can truly transform your daily wellness routine. Every woman deserves a moment of bliss. This thoughtfully curated set is perfect for celebrating special occasions or simply treating yourself. Enjoy an immersive at-home spa experience with high-quality products that work harmoniously to revive your senses and nourish your skin. The beautifully designed packaging makes each moment of unboxing a unique experience, perfect for sharing joy and gratitude with loved ones. Crafted with gentle, natural ingredients, this set ensures that your self-care rituals are not only soothing but also skin-friendly. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what others are saying about their incredible self-care experiences. Ready to make someone's day special? Choose the self-care gift box and let them indulge in relaxation and pampering. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe for more reviews and hit the like button if you found this informative.